Hey guys, welcome back. All the bushings are in and the ball joints, both of them. The swing arms look quite nice, still there's just some surface rust, so I don't bother to paint them because it probably just flakes off again. So actually I have to put in the new wheel bearing. I have it already here, and after that we can drag out the welder and weld up the body where the radius arm mounts to. So I just removed the old races with a punch and a hammer, and there are the new ones. Just a little bit of grease. Nice. I will keep these for the next time. I have to change bearings. So let's pack the bearings with grease and we can put in the seal. So just scrape with the palm of your hand, but you probably already know that trick. And you are done when the grease comes out between the rollers. So this is the new one, ready to be going onto the car. This is the old one. I just cleaned all the bearings in some petrol, repacked them with some new grease. All the surfaces seem fine. The dust caps are also clean. I will put some grease in them when they go back on the car. I'm still waiting on some bushings for the anti-roll bar and the radius rods. Hopefully they will come in the next couple of days. And the new radius rod. So let's head out to the car and start welding that nasty hole up with some scrap pieces of metal over there. I'm sure we can fix it. I just show you how it has to look. So that corner there is missing. It's about 1 centimeter deep. It should be round, just like this. I'm pretty sure that the new bushing and these new bushes would hold just fine in place, but I want to make it so that it doesn't wear out the corners of the bushing. So I just weld it up and grind it out again. So I just clamped a piece of brass behind the hole so that the MIG wire doesn't stick to the brass. So the welding part is done. It didn't take long at all, but actually there is a storm coming, so I better hurry up and pack everything inside and I can grind it off. I managed to grind down the welds. The bushing fits pretty nice. It has the same movement as the other side. So it's the next day. I've laid out all the pieces that I have. I'm still waiting for a few more parts for the steering rack and for some bushings So I just got the radius rod from my buddy. I also ordered these bushings or these spacers, but they don't show up in less than a week, so I just put them back on for now. It's easy to change them, I guess. Just untighten the nut and pull it out forward, so that shouldn't be a problem. I also put these dust covers in some vinegar and painted them. They will stay for now, but I'm pretty sure that I have other plans with the brakes on this truck. I'm not entirely sure how big or what kind of brakes, but it definitely needs a bigger brake and disc brakes on the back. So now the trick is apparently to get it just that loose that this washer here moves with force. A little bit more. Yeah, just like that. I can move the washer slightly. Should be good enough. I've kept this slip joint to the last so it can move back and forth while I'm tightening everything up. This is the new rubber piece. So guys, it's a couple days later. I received the bellows for the steering rack and also put in the sway bar bushes. So that's done. And off camera I also replaced the seals on the brake calipers and fitted some new pads. So that's done. So with that, Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.